In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable web search in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have this feature turned on and understand what it does, why it's useful, and a few quick tips to get the most out of it. Web search lets ChatGPT pull in fresh, up-to-date information from the internet when needed, instead of relying only on what it already knows. This is great for current events, evolving topics, or anything where accuracy depends on the latest details. Keep in mind that menus and labels can change slightly over time, but the path I'm about to show you is the standard way to turn it on. Start at the bottom left of your ChatGPT screen. This is where your account area lives. Click your profile, which may appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small profile icon. A menu will open with options related to your account and app preferences. From that menu, click Personalization. This section is where you can tailor how ChatGPT behaves and accesses features on your device. Once you're in Personalization, scroll down until you find Advanced Settings. It may be a collapsible section, so if it looks minimized, go ahead and click it to reveal more options. Inside Advanced Settings, look for the Web Search option. You'll see a toggle next to it. Click the toggle to turn Web Search on. When it's enabled, the switch typically changes color or position, confirming that the feature is active. And that's it. Web Search is now enabled. With this turned on, ChatGPT can use the web when it needs outside information to answer your questions more accurately. If you ask about something time-sensitive, it can look it up rather than guessing. If you prefer to keep conversations offline or want extra control, you can come back to the same place and toggle it off at any time. A couple of quick notes. If you don't see web search under Advanced Settings, it may not be available in your region or on your current app version. Updating the app or checking back later can help, as features sometimes roll out gradually. Also, when web search is used, parts of your request may be sent to a search provider to find results. So, review your privacy settings and use discretion with sensitive topics. To recap, bottom left, click your profile, choose Personalization, scroll to Advanced Settings, open it, and toggle on Web Search. That simple path unlocks more timely answers whenever you need them. Enjoy exploring, and thanks for watching.